In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Outlook, a useful skill if you need to update your name on emails, for work, or personal reasons. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along and make the necessary adjustments. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open Outlook on your computer. You'll likely find the Outlook icon on your desktop or within your Applications folder. Once you open Outlook, take a look at the upper left corner of the window. Here, you'll see a menu bar. You'll want to click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options. The one we're interested in today is Account Settings. So go ahead and hover your cursor over Account Settings, and you'll notice another option, also called Account Settings, appears. Click on this to open a new window where you can make changes to your account settings. In this new window, you'll see a list of email accounts associated with Outlook. Now find and select your email account, the one for which you wish to change the display name. Once you've selected the correct account, look for the button labeled Change. When you click this button, it will open another window that shows your account settings in more detail. Next, direct your attention to the field labeled Your Name. This is the field that controls the display name people see when they receive an email from you. Simply click into this field, delete the existing name, and type in your new display name. Make sure that the new name is exactly how you want it to look when someone opens an email from you. It could be a small personal change, or perhaps you're updating your professional appearance. Either way, it's important to double check for errors now, as this is how others will identify you when they receive your emails. Once you've entered your new name, go ahead and click on Next. You'll be prompted to finalize your changes and then click on Finish. It's important to remember that these changes won't take effect until you restart Outlook. So, to see your new display name in action, you'll need to close Outlook completely and then open it again. After you've restarted Outlook, compose an email to yourself or a colleague to confirm that your display name has been updated and looks just right. By following these steps, you ensure that your updated display name will be reflected in any future emails you send. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your display name in Outlook. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Outlook tips. Stay tuned for our next video.